top one's gonna hook on the ice when you bring him up. So wear him out good first.
Shit, I was tying a damn jig. Told you that would be happening.
Perfect. Oh, it's a nice one. Brown, big brown. He's head up. Just let him have it if he wants it. What pound test that?
Oh, 20.
You're good, Dan.
No. 6.
His head comes under. Turn it up, otherwise just let him go. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah, you gotta run for your money, Mike.
Woof. Woofta.
Hook jaw.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, probably about 2 pounds.
Sweet, good work.
Beaut.